Hey there folks, Blue Truck here. Welcome to Sunrise RC. My human saw a break in the rain and decided to take me out for a little crawl. It sure was a muddy and slippery day, but it was fun. Oh yeah, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss any Easter eggs. He said something about maybe doing a B17 giveaway when he gets to 1,000 subscribers. Alright now, I'm gonna quit my yapping and get to crawling. Enjoy the video. Alright, human, you got this. Oh, no. Oh. Yeah, my back. Hey y'all, Blue Truck back at you. So, my human didn't want to upload this clip because he was a little embarrassed that his shadow was in the video. I told him not to worry about it and I'll smooth things over with the reviewers. So yeah guys, don't give him too hard a time in the comments section. Hey, but if you do, it'll be okay. Look at that crab walking idiot. Just don't tell him I told you to make fun of him. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, hit the like button, comment down below, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you know when I'm putting out another video. I'm going to be doing unboxings, builds, and who knows, maybe a couple giveaways. Thanks.